Cam is on the fritz, ladies and gentlemen. He's trying to hang on. Oh my goodness. Tony, I think he needs a new camera. His can't handle what's about to go down. There's a giant lightning storm near Tony or something. I can't. Hopefully he stays alive here. Good luck. He's got 8 healers in this hit here. Starting off with this queen, 7 bowlers, couple lightning, and that recall spell. Let's see. With a Warden Walk as well. Eagle is not activated, so he's just under the Eagle activation limit. The multi-mortar is going to go down. We've got the Wizard Tower as well. Oh, wait. Tony, his connection's good. He's not shaking anymore. Look at that. Look at that. Something happened. He's focused. Maybe it's when he's nervous it starts shaking. Oh, boy. But either way, he's going to charge this queen into the town hall. He can pull her back, but the town hall is hitting these healers. Queen! Queen! Pops the Warden ability. Unfortunately, that was not... Oh, he barely pulls that queen ability, but that Warden gets locked out by the Eagle, and he is getting shredded. Uh-oh. There's lightning. Oh, no. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Bye-bye, Warden. Oh, no. Oh, no. Use the lightning on the scatter, but a little too late. He did actually end up taking that down with the Warden without the need of the lightning. Oh, maybe he's going to RC ability to try to take out the defensive rage as it does go off. As the queen's going to try to make her way to the left. The defensive rage goes down. The Royal Champion's now making her way to the bottom, but he didn't take out the multi-target Inferno as there is a jump leading into the air. But the problem is no Warden ability to protect these bowlers as they are going down fast. The queen comes back alive with that Phoenix as that battle drill is trying to make its way into the core, but so much damage onto that Warden took him down, or at least forced that queen. Oh boy, he's on the fritz again. Oh no. Oh boy. Rip to Tony as the Electro Titan might have come out of that battle drill. As we got the Wizard, the Archer Tower, or the Archers over on the right side, trying to get a little bit more percentage. Very nice try, Tony, with the 8 healers. If you had a Warden ability, that probably could have been a completely different attack. Great effort, as it's only in the 70s here. Let's see what else you can get. There's the army camp. That goes down. And that's it. 74% 2-star for Mr. Tony Gunk. Let's see what this man can bring. With 10 Inferno Dragons. Okay. With that queen off to the left, how is going to use these Inferno Dragons? Are they going to be used all at once? Or are they going to be used one at a time, trying to take out individual defenses or buildings? As that Flame Flinger is going to take its time to move in towards this scatter shot. We've got that queen making her way to the Wizard Tower, taking that down. The air defense, trying to loop this queen towards the Eagle Artillery. Gonna grab this value as the Flame Flinger continues to clear this. Eagle Artillery is going down. Was that his plan? Did he want the queen to go in there? I think so. As the Flame Flinger still going. There's a freeze onto the Sweeper and the Grand Warden. Not using a rage spell on this queen. Able to get through this Grand Warden altar. Now recalls that queen. Pulls her back. Sends her to the top side, and Tony's freaking out again as he sends the mass Inferno Dragon straight into the defensive queen with some skeletons to try to make their way through. Get ready. When he's going to pop this one ability as he's pushing his way towards this monolith here. As the queen is now going to make her way all the way to that right side near this town hall. The defensive rage spell does go off, and he has not lured any of the CC out just yet. As finally now some archers, super minions do come out of the CC. More skeletons to provide the distraction. As we got that queen continuing her way towards this town hall. He used the invis, but these Inferno Dragons are taking forever to get through this. This Sweeper here is definitely a big problem. As he freezes it up, rages the queen. She steps into the town hall. More Inferno Dragons coming out of that Flame Flinger. These Inferno Dragons are dying. They're basically have disappeared. He's got the King and the Royal Champion still to utilize. The Grand Warden's going down. And the RC is finally now sent in. The King still got his ability. The Inferno Dragon's down to the bottom. The Queen still has her ability. These heroes can get a ton of value with their ability still left intact, as it's looking pretty good for Halo. With the recalled Queen into the Inferno Dragons. Sent them to the core. Queen will burn her ability. And look at that. It skips through, and he will be getting it. King's running through. A billion skeletons have popped up here. Taking out the enemy RC. And GG to Mr. Halo Blade. Hey, gets the 3-star. Well done. And that's going to put up by at least a star right there. Ethan. And he's bringing 10 healers, 24 sneakies, which is probably looking to help remove that town hall. Oh, boy, Tony. Oh, my goodness, Tony. His webcam just can't hang on. Let's see. With 4, actually, nope, there is 5 rage spells to be used here in this attack. So Tony did a double hero charge, and Ethan is also going to be doing a double hero charge, as we've got the Barbarian, the sneakies, down to the bottom side. As he's going to charge a Queen? No, not into the Town Hall, because he's got a bunch of sneakies still left. There's a haste spell to help remove these storages. Remember to keep your eye on that Warden. Don't want that ability to be forced like what happened in Tony's attack. More sneakies coming through. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. Town. Oh, pulls a small bomb. Okay. Wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait. Is he going to pull more traps? No more traps. So, come on. Oh, it goes invisible. Oh, he's got to wait. He's got to be patient. That Warden's going to clear the right side. And then, here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No more haste. No more haste. There's a rage. No advance! Oh my goodness! Barely taking out the town hall because he didn't have an advance there to use. Woo! Ethan just gets away with that one, but the problem is that Warden getting hit by the Eagle Artillery. Gonna have to rage him up to not force that Warden Eternal Tome. As we got the Queen follow behind the King here. No healers on the Queen just yet. The Warden is still moving in to try to grab the scatter, but ground skeletons pop. King's ability goes off. He's going to run to the enemy Queen, and there are the healers now. We got an E-Dragon by itself to the top side to help try to remove that. Warden's still trying to clear that right side. E-Dragon's going to try to grab the Eagle, maybe with a Rage. He's got 3 more Rages to utilize. The scatter's finally going down. There's a wall break to the left side. Opens the wall for this Queen. But the E-Dragon getting hit by the Air Expo is a problem. With the combination of the Eagle artillery shots means it's going to go down and not get the value he was hoping there. As he still has the Stone Slammer, but he's using a Battle Drill here up by that ground, or the cannon taking that out. Queen's ability's forced because the Eagle artillery did some damage onto her. Now he sends the RC. Uh-oh. There's still a lot left up in this base. This Warden is not really getting much. This Warden walk is taking forever, and he's burning the Warden Eternal Tome here off to the right side. Rages this Queen up to try to stay alive. We've got the Monolith now, unfortunately, locking onto that Queen. She's going to go down. Freezes just too late there as the RC. No Warden ability because he already used it. He could have potentially protected that RC. If that Queen stayed alive to move and grab that ground expo. The Invis spell goes off. No more spells here. Out comes a Rocket Loon and some Yetis, and the RC is dying. And now he's got like 10 healers on the Warden, which I think is enough to try to keep him alive. But Ethan, nice try. A double hero charge is difficult. Great effort. But it was not able to go through as it's only the 82% 2-star. Staymus is bringing himself 88 minions. We saw Almualan coming with 61. But is 88 even possible? As a blimp is coming in. There's the Invis. He wants to Blizzard the multis. Can he get it? Yep, there's one multi. No wall breaker. Notice how he keeps the Super Wizards in this compartment. He's going to grab the enemy Queen just barely. Grab the Grand Warden. Makes another Invis here. And he's going to break through a wall. Whoa! He actually grabs the Expo by chaining through the wall and pulls triple ground skeleton. Sends an Ice Golem, the Royal Champion, into the section. Another Ice Golem with that Queen to help clear this, as he wants this Queen to go and make her way towards this Town Hall. Is this possible? With 88 minions. Hang on, my friends. As we've got a Yeti to the bottom side, followed by a Wizard to help grab that. RC's going to the top side. There's a wall break to open up the compartment. The Queen can step in. Has not cleared out the CC, though, so that's going to be a problem. He used at least one minion already, so he's only got 87 left. Will the Queen step in? Yes. She's going for the Town Hall. That Royal Champion is doing work. Even though it is a Ground Expo, pops her ability. Out comes some of the CC, and the Town Hall has been secured. And the Air Expo, oh, the Air Expo even goes down. All the value so far from his heroes and the Blizzard. Now let's see where the splash is remaining. We got a Scatter Shot and a Multi and a Wizard. Couple Wizard Towers. All the splash down to the bottom side as the minions are going straight into the Eagle. And the King is actually pulling the Eagle artillery shots. He's got one balloon. He freezes the scatter, one shot off, and those minions, he pops the ability to protect him. He needs to take out the scatter, but they go for the Royal Champ. The scatter switches targets. He's got a Dragon Rider making its way off. The Monolith is distracted. He freezes the Multi as the minions are going through. Tony can't handle this. His webcam's on the fritz. He's trying to push his way through, but the minions are disappearing. They're going down. But the Dragon Rider is trying to take out the Multi. Not able to do it, as unfortunately he had to pop that warded ability early to protect all that minion, because they pull one red air bomb and down they go. But it's in the high 80s. With that type of attack, a lot of people may not even get a 2-star. But he gets that. 86 with 88 minions. GG, Staymus. Woof. The man who has got a solid connection. With 20 sneakies. Couple bats. Never mind, I just jinxed his internet connection. No longer. As we've got the Flame Flinger off to the right side to help grab this Archer Tower. But he also dropped those sneakies to help try and test for Teslas over there, as he's doing not a Skelly Donut, but a Bat Donut to try to take out the Scatter Shot, the Builder Hut, which he does, and the Monolith. One more. No! The story of the Monolith. Wow. Oh my goodness. Monolith, are you serious? It just never goes down. Every time it just manages to always stay up. Oh, jeez. As we've got the Fire Spirits doing some damage to the CC, but it did get lured out, which is the problem. He does have a poison. He's not using it. The Flame Flinger does not get locked onto. Where's your poison? Well, never mind. It's gonna open up with a bunch of Rocket Loons. Dragon Rider are gonna try to go into the Eagle Artillery. Can he secure it? Yes, he is gonna secure that Eagle Artillery. Super Minion is stuck inside the poison, getting taken out slowly, but it goes out of the poison and stays alive. Watch out for the Super Minion, as we've got the Queen, the Electro Titan down to the bottom side, with a couple Super Valkyries as well. Wait a second. He's going to rely on his sneaky goblins to secure that Town Hall from about the 10, 11 o'clock to move in. What the? Look at the wall breakers! Look at the wall breakers! Oh my goodness! They're breaking. Regular wall breakers trying to go all the way to the core of this base. Oh no! They failed to break this wall. What? Oh, sneakies. There's the invis. Can it take out the Town Hall? Yes. The Town Hall goes down just barely there. But the balloon, if you get any damage, your death damage can open the wall. Balloon, death damage. No, it doesn't. As the Royal Champion's making her way to the left side, follow behind with that Queen. But the problem is we still have a Monolith, a defensive Rage Spell Tower standing as well. This can be a big problem as he's trying to move his way through. With that Queen, she does loop her way in. Wait. Oh, That was an early freeze. Early, what? Oh no. The queen decides to completely ignore this multi-target Inferno. RC ability goes off to the top side. Queen dies through ability as well. Oh, man. And it's only going to be an 82. 83, actually. Just barely getting that one. Nice try. Good luck. And he's got 40 super barbarians in for his attack. Double clones. No invis. Double clones with no invis. We've got the bat spell coming right off the bat to distract this air defense. Oh, he's dropping a bunch of balloons. Is he going to try to clone these balloons or something? No. He wants the blimp to move in. Oh, it does get pushed. Unfortunately, we've got... Okay, the blimp is going to make it as far as it wants. There's the rage. He's going to clone up these Yetis in the core. Clone once, clone twice to try to get as much value into the middle with the double clone. Can he grab the other multi? No! He doesn't grab the multi there, which he probably definitely wanted to probably grab all of that. That would have been wild if he grabbed it. But it stays up here. Will that come back to hurt him here as the Warden is down with the Queen, making his way to the right side with the Golem, the King. At least he finds the Tesla farm early so he can try to get through it with some ground skeletons, using his own skeletons to provide the distraction. The Poison Lizard doing work onto the enemy RC. She's going down quickly as he's continuing his way around. He does have a super wall break. 30 more super barbarians. Pops the King ability. Giant bomb, small bomb pops. Now he's going into the defensive King as this Queen is making her way through, but the Monolith and an invisibility spell tower is standing. Oh, that Queen. Hopefully she doesn't get locked down too. There's the freeze. There's a ton of distraction onto this town. Oh, yeah, town hall's going down, so that's good. Queen, oh, he pops the Warden ability. That Warden ability was perfectly popped to protect everything through the town hall. RC's ability is forced. It's going to skip, but the RC is going to die. She does come back alive with the Phoenix, so she's going to actually be able to help remove the enemy Queen. Wait a second. Wait, does this have a chance? No. There's no way, right? No way, Halo. He's still moving. He's getting through this. He's got a minute left, guys. He pops Queen ability. What? Halo? Halo? What? Excuse me? The double clone super barbarians? How? Mr. Halo Blade 27 coming in. Look at this army. 40 super barbarians, double clone, skeleton spells. Oh my, what an attack. Whew. To have any chance and hope that Staymus gets a 1-star. To bring the judge voting into play for anything. This was a thing in the Creative Mass series. You're never out of it. Even if the final score is not on your side, it can be brought back with judge voting. If you were creative enough. More creative than your opponent. As we're seeing Ethan with a handful of super barbs. Couple E-Dragons and the healers. As the Queen's going to make her way towards this town hall. There's the balloon finally deploying the healers here. The cannon is going to go down, and he's going to recall this Queen back. Helps secure this town hall. It's going to take some time here. And he's got a battle drill to try to remove or move in. Oh, we got a giant up there with a spring trap. Nope, no spring up there. But the Queen is going to remove the town hall here. The invisibility spell. Oh, that's a base building error, Staymus. The invisibility spell is not touching the town hall, so it's not activating. Oh, no. Rip. As he now redeploys the Queen to the top side to help remove up near the defensive King up there. Oh my, as we got an E-Drag. E-Drag rage skip. Take out the air defense one shot. Now skip and take out the Archer Tower one shot. Boom, that goes down as he's trying to help secure this right section. Oh, that Queen trying to stay alive. E-Dragon now trying to move into the scatter. Queen's ability goes off as a battle drill is going to make its way in towards the single target Inferno. Uh-oh. Queen Oh, healer's taking some damage. That's going to hurt. E-Drag is tanking the scatter as we got Yetis opening up double seeking air mines, hitting his healers. So he's like, well, I got an extra healer for you. Drops it in there for his queen as we got the Yetis going to help remove the scatter off to the right side as the Warden, a couple super barbarians into the scatter on the left as that queen being raged up. But the problem is the Warden and the King did not go into the scatter shot. That is an issue here as he needs this King ability with the Warden. But that queen, oh, she's going down. She's going down. The headhunters have removed her. The mass headhunter CC did work. Uh-oh, the RC. She's getting slowed down by the defensive headhunter as well. Oh my, that headhunter Glad Castle for Staymus is causing so much destruction as he's making his way through with that King's ability coming. Well, not his ability, but the Phoenix bringing him back alive. And then Ethan pulling an Eric with that resources freeze. It's not a storage freeze, but the grass freeze. Rip. And we've got ourselves in the 80s again. All 2 stars across the board for Tony, Gunk, and Ethan. And I don't even think there's a chance even with judge voting. I guess the only way is if Staymus. Pressure, right? If it's a 2-star, they'll be up by 2. So he can go all out for it to try to see if he can get it. As he got 19 sneakies. Couple lightning spells. Couple golems. And that log launcher as he wants to remove that town hall with the sneaky goblins. No more real storages. There's just that gold storage there. As he lightnings the scatter and takes it down. What else does he want to do here? As the sneakies are trying to go into the town hall. A couple of the sneakies split here. He does have the King off to the left behind an ice golem over there. That Dark Drill is just barely up. Might pull the sneakies if he drops them too far left. Finds a spring trap with one ice golem. King's walking around the wall to the archer. As a log launcher is now going in. As the King, unfortunately, did get locked down by that monolith. And down he goes fast. But he does come back alive with the Phoenix, and he doesn't know what to do. He's just running around this section here. As the sneakies are going to try to go for the town hall. There's the rest of them. Get ready for the invis to protect him. Yes, and the town hall is going down. Did the log launcher get enough value? There's a rage for the Yetis to go to the defensive rage spell tower. Then no, not able to take out the monolith. As the defensive Electro Titan does come out of here. With the queen trying to pick it off and the super minion. The eagle also locks onto this queen here. As we've got the King. Oh no, never mind, because the King is gone. With the giants. Some wizards down to the bottom side. Pops that queen ability. Really trying to take down each compartment of this base. As he sends the Warden now in with the queen. There's a wall break. The queen, can she get healed back up with the unicorn? There's a wall break. A second wall break. Warden ability. Not yet. He's being patient. There it is. There's the Warden. Queen slowly getting healed back up. As the Royal Champion, unfortunately, does find a Tesla farm to the right side. As her ability is going to skip through. Taking out this multi. Down it goes. Down goes the queen. But you can see the 2 stars there, which means they're going to be up by 2. Unless something crazy happens in the judge voting, which we will just see after this. Halo and Staymus are looking good to advance in the Creative Master Series 2, Round 2. Very nice effort to Staymus, but it was Halo that did an amazing job coming in with some beautiful attacks and that 6-pack as well. Can grab a little bit more buildings because you never know what just might happen. With the wizard down there, as it is a 74% 2-star. As we take a look at the final score right here, which is going to be a 10 to 8%.